Hello guys, welcome to another review, the parts review, pardon. Right here is the Seasonic XXX. This one here is certified gold. I'm going to show you the specs of the power supply so you can make an idea. Okay, it's the upside down. I'm going to flip around the back. Okay, these are the specs for the Seasonic. Is the 760 watts on a 3.3 rail volts. He has 25 amps, and the other is the 25 amps for a total of 125 watts DC output, of course. For the 12 volts rail, we're having here the 63 amps, and this one here is the total combined with the all this rail volts. You have the 760 watts. This is the 80 plus gold. It's a very common model because I've seen this power supply many times on the reviews, and also on the YouTube. It's very popular, of course. The problem that it has when you try to turn on the power supply, it simply doesn't work. So I actually seen when how should I explain to you? The fans, it's just it gives you the impression that I started to move, but it doesn't. So I think something probably not very affected, but I'm sure that there is a power surge, and probably the safety inside the power supply is burned, or maybe it could be something else. Right here is missing the cables. There you can see the PCI Express for the CPU, and some of the SATA right here. So since it's damaged, my intention is to repair it so I can use it in another PC or in another build. I'm going to show you the cables. This is the SATA that it has. 3 SATA here. We have right here the Moldex. Okay, we have 3 Moldex connectors. We have the three SATA connectors for the hard drives and the SSD, of course. It looks in very good shape, to be honest. We have the CPU connector. It's supposed to have 2 CPU connectors, like I'm showing you here. This one is missing. But if you want it, you can buy another cables, which are not cheap, to be honest. I've seen on the internet these kind of cables that you can buy. And the other 2 is for the PCI Express, for the power supply, for the video cards, pardon, I made a mistake. 8-pin, or 6-pin or 8-pin, depending how the video cards has the connector placed. And the 20+4 connector that it goes directly to the motherboard. In very good condition. Is nothing burned, as you can see. It looks very good. So my intention is to use this power supply, like I said before. But firstly, I'm gonna try to repair it and maybe see what is going on, and see how it actually works. See what is defected. Pardon, I made a mistake. I don't know what is with me this Sunday. Anyway, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, and I will try to fix this power supply, see what is going on inside, and we'll go from there. Thank you for watching.